Autobike Updates. Welcome to Autobike Updates, where we talk about upcoming machines that can change the daily commute. Today we're discussing the much-anticipated 2026 TATA 125cc motorcycle, a model expected to mark Tata's strong entry into the competitive 125cc segment with a focus on reliability, efficiency, and modern design. Design and road presence. The 2026 TATA 125cc is expected to carry a clean yet muscular design language, combining commuter practicality with a slightly sporty stance. Sharp body panels, a well-sculpted fuel tank, and modern lighting elements are likely to give it a fresh identity while keeping durability at the core, something Tata is known for across its products. Engine and performance. Powering the TATA 125cc is expected to be a refined 125cc single-cylinder engine tuned for smooth city performance and long-term reliability. The focus will likely be on balanced power delivery, easy rideability in traffic, and low maintenance costs, making it suitable for daily riders and first-time buyers alike. Mileage and efficiency. Fuel efficiency will be a key highlight of the 2026 TATA 125cc. With optimized engine, tuning, and lightweight construction, the bike is expected to deliver impressive mileage, appealing strongly to budget-conscious commuters who want low running costs without compromising everyday performance, features, and technology. The upcoming TATA 125cc is expected to offer modern essentials such as a digital or semi-digital instrument cluster, LED lighting, and practical riding ergonomics. Safety-focused features like a combined braking system and sturdy chassis setup are also expected, ensuring confidence on daily rides. Ride comfort and handling. Comfort is likely to be a strong point, with a well-cushioned seat, upright riding posture, and suspension tuned for rough city roads, stable handling, and predictable braking. Performance should make the bike easy to control for riders of all experience levels. Expected price and market. Position. The 2026 TATA 125cc is expected to be competitively priced to challenge established players in the 125cc segment. With Tata's brand trust and focus on value, this motorcycle could become a strong option for commuters looking for something new and dependable. Final thoughts. The 2026 TATA 125cc has the potential to be a practical, efficient, and value-packed commuter motorcycle. If Tata delivers on quality, mileage, and pricing, this bike could make a solid impact in the 125cc category. Stay tuned to Autobike Updates for more verified details and future updates.